10 Fun Facts about Computer Programming. The world's first computer programmer. The world's first computer programmer was a woman named Ada Lovelace. She wrote the first algorithm intended to be processed by a machine, making her the first programmer in history. Programming bug. The term bug to describe a programming error originated from an actual bug. In 1947, a moth caused a malfunction in the Harvard Mark II computer, and the term debugging was coined to describe the process of fixing such issues. The first computer mouse. The first computer mouse was made of wood. Doug Engelbart, an early computing pioneer, developed the first prototype in 1964, which was a wooden shell with 2 metal wheels. The programming language Python. The programming language Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python. Guido van Rossum, the creator of Python, was a fan of the group and decided to name the language in their honor. The Apollo Guidance Computer. The Apollo 11 moon landing in 1969 was made possible by a computer with less processing power than a modern smartphone. The Apollo Guidance Computer had approximately 64 kilobytes of memory. The world's first computer virus. The world's first computer virus was created in 1983. Known as the L cloner, it infected Apple II computers through floppy disks and displayed humorous messages. The world's longest line of code. The world's longest line of code was written by a programmer named Hubert Cumberdale in 2014. It consisted of 2,163,656 characters and took over 25 hours to write. The world's first computer programmer group. The world's first computer programmer group was the Homebrew Computer Club. It was founded in 1975 in Menlo Park, California, and had influential members like Steve Wozniak and Steve Jobs, who later co-founded Apple Incorporated. The first ever hard disk drive. The first ever hard disk drive, introduced by IBM in 1956, weighed over a ton, had a storage capacity of only 5 megabytes, and its cost was around $50,000. The original name for JavaScript. The original name for JavaScript was Mocha, later changed to LiveScript, and finally to JavaScript for marketing purposes. It has no relation to Java, despite its name.